As the sun begins its ascent, marking the dawn of a new day, let's embark on our daily journey with determination and zeal. A heartwarming morning to our worthy principal, vice principal, esteemed teachers, and my spirited friends. I am Raju Mane, alongside my vibrant group, welcome you all to today's enlightening morning assembly. This is a special assembly on the occasion of Teachers' Day. So let's begin it. Pledging is more than a ritual. It's a promise to make to ourselves and to our community a commitment to uphold our duties, values and principles. So, with conviction and purpose, extend your right hand, stand tall, and let's commit to our pledge, reminding ourselves of our ethos we uphold as a community. I invite Mrs. Khalida FS to administer the pledge.
Your attention. Let's
stand attention. Straight. Your hand should be at the side here. Fist closed. India is my country. And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respects to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Each day comes with its unique challenges and opportunities. An inspiring thought can drive us to approach the day with enthusiasm and purpose. To ignite the flame of inspiration, this morning I would like to invite Mrs. Vijaya Shetty to share the thought of the day.
Good morning. Food for thinking. If you miss anything, don't fill your eyes with the tears, because it may hide yet another beautiful thing standing before you. It means if you miss one opportunity, there are hundreds of opportunities waiting for you. If one door closes, there are thousands of doors kept open to you. At the time of sunset, if you worry about the lost sunlight, you will miss the golden opportunity of enjoying the beautiful, marvelous beauty of the moonlight and the twinkling stars. So don't worry about the past. Think that every day is a new day, every morning is a new beginning. Nothing is over. We have just started. Message is, wait, the best is yet to come. Thank you. Have a thrilling Thursday.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspirational and motivational thought. Now the next, in a rapidly evolving world, staying informed is crucial. Not only does it reflect our commitment to being responsible citizens, but it also broadens our horizons. It is essential to understand the world beyond our textbook. So, to bridge the gap between our classroom and global happenings, I present Ms. Preeti and Ms. Diksha, who will bring us the latest news headlines.
A warm good morning to all of you. This is Diksha and Preeti. We are welcoming you in today's assembly. First of all, states news.
Stock scam, ED arrest, 4 in Bangalore, traces 25 crores. Dengue notified as epidemic disease in state.
Next, national news.
Supreme Court directs Center to create portal for National Highways Encroachment Complaints. Declare floods as national calamity, said Andhra Pradesh CM to PM Modi.
Next, international news.
Pope Francis arrives in Indonesia to start Asia-Pacific tour. Modi arrives in Brunei on 2 days national tour to shape further his Act East policy and Indo-Pacific vision.
Next, business news.
World Bank raises India financial year 2025 GDP growth forecast to 7%. Karnataka government to launch India's first GCC, that is Global Capacity Center policy next month.
And next, sports news.
Luis Suarez, Uruguay's football player, announced his international retirement. Siddharth Agrawal became the oldest Indian to swim across the English Channel. This is the end of today's news. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
As the assembly draws to close, let's carry forward the energy, knowledge and inspiration gained during this precious moment. As we go about our day, let's remember to practice kindness, uphold our pledges and strive for excellence in all that we do. Now I would like to call Mr. Ram Prasad with the special item of the day.